Hi there, and thank you for watching our video on the inventory physical checklist. So the inventory physical checklist replaces walking around with a clipboard to count your inventory. From a tablet or computer, you can simply enter your product count, click save, and then the on-hand numbers will update and prepare you to create a purchase order. So the thought process here is you're walking around, you're counting your inventory, and you're able just to update those on-hand numbers so that from our software, you can just simply create a purchase order and it will tell you exactly everything to order. So before I get started, just make sure that you go to your permissions and enable the inventory physical checklist that you're able to use it. It'll be under the inventory permissions. So to access this physical checklist, you'll click on Inventory Management, and then you'll click Inventory Physical Checklist. You can select a specific product line or a specific supplier or a specific type. So for example, if I'm going to do Ayurveda products and I'm ordering specifically from ABC Beauty and I'm only going to do my retail shelves, I'm not going to do the color back bar. I go ahead and click Generate. It shows me my products here. Yours will probably be a bit longer. It gives me some basic information on what I've got going on here. So my on-hand is 1 for this, so repair conditioner. And let's say I actually have 2. I actually have more than it says I have. And for this one, I have 0. I didn't have any of this Viva La shampoo. And over here, I'm not going to count this one quite yet. We might be phasing it out. I'm just going to leave it be. So what will happen with these entries is if the count is equal to the on-hand, if this was 1 and 1, it won't do anything. It would technically update your on-hand number to be what it already is, but it's not going to trigger an inventory adjustment report. But what will happen is because I'm noting I have 2 here, if I click save, it'll update my on-hand count to B2, and then it will generate an inventory adjustment report, which I'll show you here in a second, to show that I actually had 1 more than I thought I was supposed to have, and vice versa. If I have 1 less, it will update my on-hand to be 0, and then it's going to tell me in the inventory adjustment report that I had actually less than I was thinking. So, and then if I do nothing to one of these fields, then nothing will happen. There's going to come some times where there's certain products that maybe you're just not counting right now, and that's fine. So as long as you leave them alone, the on-hand number will not be updated. And then you go ahead and click save. Once you hit save, if there's any differentials, they'll show up under your reports, under inventory and gift reports, and adjustment reports. Keep in mind, your permissions do have to be enabled to see this report. And then if you want to see this breakdown, you just go ahead and click view, and it will show you your different SKUs, product names, the total cost, the differences, how much of each of them is missing, what the change was, and then down here at the bottom it'll give you a grand total of how much money was actually lost by this change. So it's a great tool, but yeah, you can use this inventory physical count before you create your purchase order, and then once you've updated your numbers, then you can go to inventory and click purchase order and create a brand new purchase order. Thank you for watching and have a great day.